Hey, hi my lovely people. Welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you're a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today in this video, I'm going to show about AWS, Cloud, Azure, DevOps, Fresher job openings. Okay, if you're a fresher having complete 0 years of experience, okay, or if you're a person having at least 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year of working experience in these domains, like it may be in the AWS or it may be in the Azure or it may be in the DevOps, guys, no problem, you can easily apply to the job openings which I'm going to show you now today. And moreover, I'm telling you may be from the any batches, like you may be from the 2024 batch, 2023 passed out, 2022, 21, or you may be from the 2020. And moreover, you may be from the any education backgrounds, like you may be from the BE, BTech, ME, MTech, or you may be from the MCA, BCA, or you may be from like the diploma. No problem, guys. You may be from the BCA, hotel management. You may be from the any educational backgrounds. If you are having the skills, okay, if you have learned these skills, okay, if you have the knowledge on AWS cloud or in the DevOps or in the Azure, then you can easily apply. Okay, so I'm requesting everyone, please watch this video completely till the end. In this video, I have mainly tried to cover around 6 job opening, guys. Okay, so okay, before moving on to the first job opportunity, I'm going to show you one of the first bonus job opportunity, that is from the here. If you come into the picture of the job details and everything, the job company name is MS Tekin. Okay, this is a startup company. This company is mainly hiring for the position of AWS cloud interns. Okay, so here they have mentioned that they are mainly hiring for the career opportunities is AWS cloud intern. If you are looking for mainly on this, okay, so they have mentioned their email ID, right? So if you are good at AWS cloud, if you don't have knowledge in DevOps, that is not a problem, guys. If you are having completely 0 years of experience, you can apply here. Look at this. You need to send your resume to this apply at mstekin.com. So this is their email ID. Otherwise, you just need to go to this website called www.mstekin.com. So this is their email ID. So just go to their website either, or you can directly send your resume to this. Okay, so this is the first bonus job opportunity for you guys. Now we'll directly begin the first job opening. Here, if you come into the first job opening, the first job openings come from the company called Sapiens. Okay, as you know, the Sapiens is one of the famous company in the India. Okay, so this company Sapiens Technology is mainly hiring for the position of AWS Cloud Architect. Here the position is AWS Cloud Architect. By looking at this position, you may feel that is this position is for the fresher? Yes, it's completely for the fresher, guys. I'm going to show you the experience they have mentioned here also. Okay, so here the job location is Bengaluru and the company name is Sapiens Technology and the job role is AWS Cloud Architect. Okay, so here the job application deadline is just left with 5 days. So please try to apply as early as possible. And if you get into the details of the job opening, here they have mentioned about the responsibilities. Okay, so you please read about yourself before applying, because reading the responsibility section is also very important. Okay, I'm going to read about requirements. If you come into here, the first thing you need here is a degree. It may be in the computer science or in the IT, or it may be the related field, or if you have done your masters, not a problem. Okay, you can also easily apply. The next thing is, if you have a degree in any other domains, or sorry, like you maybe have the degree in any other education sectors, no problem, you can also apply, but you need to have the skills. Okay, next is, here they are asking for AWS certifications. If you are mainly a certified AWS solution architect or a DevOps engineer, you are highly preferred for this. You are highly preferred. Okay, if you don't have certificates, but not a problem, you are also preferred. But those who are having certifications, they are high chance of getting selected the resume. That is the thing. Next is proven experience in designing and implementing AWS based solution. Here, proven experience means you may be having hands-on experience or you may be having real-time experience. No problem. Here, if you look at this. Look at the thing. Experience they have clearly mentioned is 0 to 1 year of years. So they have told that if you are having experience, you are preferred. If you don't have experience, please try to mention the internship experience, guys. You may be working on internships, right? Or you may be have done some hands-on projects from the YouTube or from the Udemy or from the any institutes, right? So please try to mention them. Okay. So that is the thing. Next is, here they have mentioned about strong knowledge of AWS services, networking, security. See, if you're learning the AWS, or if you have already learned the AWS, see, you should be knowing the networking. That is very basics for the AWS, guys, and you should be knowing the security. So these two are very mandatory if you want to be good, or if you want to grow in the AWS field. Okay. The next is proficiency in scripting automation. So you should be knowing the scripting. It may be Python or it may be Shell, or if you know any other scripting language, that is also fine. And you should be having the excellent communication skills, okay? And you should be able to work independently, and you should be able to manage the multiple projects, okay? And you should be ready to work for the deadlines. So this is the point they have mentioned here. And here they have also mentioned like AWS special certifications areas like AWS security, AWS big data, AWS machine learning. See, if you have done some certifications, okay, that too mainly, or if you have acquired some certifications from the AWS like AWS security or a big data machine learning, that is also good, okay. And you should be having familiarity with other clouds, like what is Azure, how the Azure cloud is going to work. So what are Azure services? You should be having at least some knowledge on that. Otherwise, if you are having knowledge on GCP, that is also fine. And they have mentioned here that you should be having the containerization technologies, that is Docker and Kubernetes, okay. So the next is knowledge of hybrid cloud solutions as well as a multi-cloud environment. So these are all the things which they are expecting from you guys. So please try to read the JD completely and mention your modify your resume as according to this. Mentioning the keywords and phrase is very important, guys, while applying. So please try to give importance to that, okay. So just go to this apply now section and apply. Here they have given about some of the things like job locations, and they haven't mentioned about the salary, okay, but work day is 5 days and the job type is full time. So these all are the things which they have mentioned here for you, okay. So just try to view this one completely and apply for this position. This is the first job opening for you guys, okay, for the AWS guys. Next is, here I have bought from the IBM company, guys. So as you know, the IBM is one of the famous company in the India. So this company is mainly hiring for the position of software developer intern, okay. So you may feel that it's not for the DevOps or AWS flogs, but I'm telling you it's completely for the AWS as well as DevOps. Why? Because if you read the skill section here, okay, if you read here, you are going to get an idea if you read this, okay. So please don't ignore this job opportunity, because it's mainly from the IBM. So there will be many fresh candidates who are dreaming to work in the IBM companies. So please don't miss opportunity. The job location is Ahmedabad, that is in the Gujarat, okay. And here the position is intern. You may be knowing that intern means 0 to 1 years of 1 years of candidate. So this position is mainly for the fresher, guys. I'm telling once again, it's mainly for the fresher. So please don't miss any opportunities. Next is, here if you get into the details, here they have given about the roles, they have given about the job details. So please have a look on this also. And if you come into the required technical or a professional experience, I'm telling you, I have already read the complete JD. Here, if you are having experience, like if you have previously worked in IT sectors, like in a front end or a back end, if you're having at least experience 1 year, or if you have worked on like 2 years from the front end back end, you are highly preferred for this job. Or if you don't have any knowledge, but you are having completely knowledge on AWS DevOps, then you are also preferred. Here they have mentioned about knowledge of any cloud services, including IBM cloud, okay. So they have also asked for IBM cloud. If you are having knowledge on IBM cloud, that is good. If you are not having, not a problem. You should have at least 1 or 2. That is very good, okay, because they have asked for nearly 4. So if you're having at least knowledge on AWS or Azure, that is also fine. Or if you're having IBM or AWS combination, that is also fine. And you should be having DevOps experience. Means you should be knowing about you should be have worked on really some projects on the DevOps, like DevOps tools and technologies, okay. So that is the thing. Next is experience with Linux system, okay. So here they have asked you should be good at Linux and knowledge on Kubernetes, Docker, Red Hat Shift, okay, Red Hat OpenShift. So you should be knowing what is Docker, what is Kubernetes, and how to. You should be knowing complete knowledge on the Docker, Kubernetes as well as Red Hat OpenShift, guys. Okay. Next is communication skills, and you should be having understanding of Linux or a Windows environment. So here they have mentioned also you should be having the understanding of Linux as well as in Windows environment, and you should be knowing the what is LDAP, okay, and you should be knowing the knowledge of the networking. And you should be having the knowledge of domain knowledge of identity access management, that is IAM, okay. So you should be having knowledge on IAM also. So please, if you're having knowledge on all this, or if you're good at like this, as I already told you, so they have mentioned about the front end, back end. If you're mainly worked from the front end and back end, and if you're having knowledge with the DevOps and tools and technologies, you are highly preferred. If you're just having knowledge on AWS, here they have preferred qualifications. They have mentioned about DevOps as well as ADS. So they may hire for you. There are high chance of getting selected for DevOps engineers also. Okay. So if you're a fresher, please apply because the position is intern. Okay. So just go to this apply now section and apply to this position also. Now, if you come into the third one, The third one comes from LinkedIn, guys. Okay, in LinkedIn there is one company called CloudDraw. Okay, so this company is mainly hiring for multiple positions. As you can see here, they are hiring for the positions of associate DevOps engineer, the person who is having at least 6 months of experience. It may be internship experience, working experience, your choice, not a problem. And next is they are also hiring for the DevOps intern, basics DevOps. If you don't have any experience, complete zero, no problem. You are also preferred for this position. And if you are having system engineer, these two are not required for us. Okay, leave about this. Just focus on AWS associate DevOps engineer as well as DevOps intern. Okay, if you are a fresher who is having complete zero, if you don't have any work experience, internship experience, apply for DevOps intern position. If you are having at least 6 months working or internship experience, apply for associate DevOps engineer position. Okay, so here the job location is Jaipur. Okay, and moreover this is the hybrid job opportunity. And here they have mentioned the work shift is rotation shift. You need to work in a multiple rotational shift, that is in the European as well as in a, so that is European shift only you need to work. So you just need to share your resume to this Rashmi at Baranwala at cloudrow.com. So this is their email ID. They have clearly mentioned their email ID. So you just need to send. So please go to your LinkedIn and check out this page and try to apply your resume for this email ID. Okay. So this is completely for the fresher, guys. So please don't miss this opportunity, guys. So this is the third job opportunity for you. Now, if you get into the fourth one is from the Accel Data. The company name is Accel Data. Here, this company is mainly hiring for the position of system dev engineer. Okay. So if you come into the job description and everything, they have mentioned the job location is Bengaluru. And look at this, engineering is the section is DevOps. Okay. So this mainly is for the DevOps flocks. Okay. So moreover, this is a full-time job opportunity and it's an on-site job. Okay. So here, if you come into the details of the job description and everything, look at this. They have mentioned 1 year plus of professional experience developing, launching software products on cloud, CI/CD. Okay, so here 1 year of experience means if you have some like internship experience of 6 months, or if you have previously worked in some organizations as a 6 months, okay, and you may be laid off, right? So like the tough folks can apply to this position. Okay, so the next is proficient in scripting and Git workflow. So you should be good at scripting, guys. So for DevOps, scripting is very mandatory. So please, if you don't know, try to learn. And you should mention the scripting in your resume. If you go to any position of a DevOps or AWS, please try to mention the scripting. And you should be good at Git and GitHub. Okay. And you should be very good or expertise. Here they have mentioned expertise in containerization with Kubernetes, orchestration, Ansible, Puppet. So you should be good at Kubernetes as well as an Ansible or a Puppet. Okay. And you should be having the deep understanding of AWS cloud. They have clearly mentioned it's for the AWS cloud flocks. So if you are good at Azure, please don't apply. They are mainly hiring for the position of the candidates who are very good at AWS cloud. Okay. Next is here they have mentioned the data stores like Postgres, Redis, Kafka, Elasticsearch. If you have done some projects on this, or if you have some knowledge, if you know how these things works, we can apply. Okay, try to mention this in your resume. Okay. Next is proficiency in cloud-based DevOps practices, specifically Terraform. So you should be having the proficiency in the Terraform. Next is here they have mentioned the continuous integration as continuous delivery pipeline. So you should be knowing what is CI/CD, how it's the entire CI/CD process is going to work. So you should be knowing on that, and you should be knowing hands-on experience on that. Strong technical background with a track record of individual technical accomplishments. Okay. So the next is you should be good at in Linux also, guys. They have mentioned here, and you should be ready to learn new things, new technologies eagerly, and you should have a degree. Okay. So these are all the things which they have mentioned here. If you are very good at these skills, which are the things which they have mentioned here, just go to this apply for this position and apply to this job opening also. So this is the fourth job opportunity for you guys. Before moving into the fifth one, I want to show you one more important thing, guys. See, so before moving into the fifth one, I want to tell you one more important thing. This is my new this is my new YouTube channel, daily job updates. So if you're a first time viewer to my channel, please do subscribe and encourage me to do the more videos, because I'll be daily updating you the job openings on the AWS, DevOps, or it may be any, guys. You may be from the any other domains, no problem. If you want a job openings on that domains, please mention me in the comment section. Okay. So now for this time purpose, please subscribe. And if you want all the job opening links which I have shown you now, okay, you can just send an invite at this Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle, Vishwakar Kalle. You just need to send an invite. Okay, I'm going to accept all yours, and you can just have a message. You can just DM me, guys. I'm going to send you, because when once you send the invite, I can't identify who are the request I got. Please try to message. Okay, I'm going to send you links. See, even I will show you how to message for you guys also. Look at this, the here. So one of the guy has messaged me AWS Azure DevOps Fresher links. So this is how you need to message, guys. If you're looking for AWS Fresher links, mention me like this. If you're looking for Azure, message me like this. Okay. If you're looking for DevOps, mention me like this. I'm going to send you all these job links completely free without taking a single rupee from you guys. I'll be not taking any rupee from you. So please try to message me. I'm going to send you all the links completely free. Okay. Now now we'll directly get to the fifth one. The fifth one comes from the company called Solvative. Okay, the company name is Solvative. This company is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. Okay, so the position is DevOps engineer, and moreover, this is a remote job opportunity, guys. So you can easily sit in your home. This is moreover, as we can say, this is a work from home job opportunity for you guys. Okay. So please try to apply. This is a work from home job opportunity, and moreover, you may be from the any part of India. You can just easily grab this job opportunity. Here, if you come into the details of the job, they have mentioned experience is 1 year. Okay, you should be having at least 1 year. But if you are having at least some internship experience, work experience, or if you don't have any experience, no problem, guys. If you're having some solid skills. See, skills is very important. So please try to learn the skills. If you're having solid skills in a resume, they are going to hire you. You should be good at the subject, guys. That is very important rather than the experience. Okay. So there are so many cases where the complete freshers who are applied for the 1 year or 2 years of experience candidate, and they also got the job in the current market. I'm telling you. So please try to apply. And next is here the mention the skill section is entry level work experience as a DevOps engineer or a similar software engineer. So basically, if you have worked in some previous domains in the IT, you are also preferred for this. Or if you are a work entry level experience in the DevOps, you are highly preferred for this position. Next is you should be good at scripting, guys. That is Python or a Bash scripting. Next is they have mentioned you should be good at working knowledge of databases. Okay, that is they have clearly mentioned as SQL. And you should be knowing what is Docker, how it's the Docker is going to work, what is Docker Compose, Docker file, everything you should be knowing on this. Next, they have mentioned about the basics understanding of infrastructure as code. Okay, they have mentioned about Ansible and Terraform. You should be knowing the how to create the infrastructure by using the Ansible, and you should be knowing the configuration management tool, that is Ansible. And you should be knowing the monitoring tools, guys. Okay, or observatory tools. It may be Prometheus, Grafana, anything, your choice. If you know any one or two of the monitoring tools, please try to mention at least 2 monitoring tools in the resume. And basics understanding of web servers, firewalls, SSL, web security. Okay, you should be knowing what are web service. What are web servers? Okay, what is firewall, SSL? That is mainly you should be knowing about the networking as well as security, guys. Okay, and you should be having the knowledge on CI/CD pipelines. You should be able to understand what is CI/CD pipelines and everything. And you should be good at AWS cloud platforms. And if you're having certifications on AWS, that is a plus point for you, bonus. Okay. Next is they have mentioned here you should be good at Linux, and you should be having the advanced networking knowledge on the advanced networking. So here they have mentioned about all the skills which they are expecting from you guys. So please try to apply to this position. Just go to this section, apply to position, and apply. Okay, otherwise you can just go to your Indeed account. You can just link it and you can apply. Otherwise just try using LinkedIn. Anywhere, it's your choice. Okay. So these are all the job openings which I wanted to show you for today's, guys. If you're looking for any other job opportunities in any other domain, please mention me in the comment section. I'll be happy to bring all the job openings for you. Have a good day. All the best for your interviews. Bye.